All right, we start with speaking part 1. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you like insects?
No, I don't like insects. In fact, I found them very creepy.
I find them.
I find them very creepy, so I hate insects.
Okay, this is good. Just add 1 to 2 more sentences. Sometimes they are very dangerous. They can
Yes.
sting us also. So I don't like insects. Good.
Are there many different insects in the area where you live?
Yeah, obviously, in not in my area, but in my country, Pakistan, there are insects everywhere, and especially in the monsoon weather, which is now going, insects are everywhere, such as mosquitoes and cockroaches, etc.
Yeah, so to answer your question, there is a good variety of insects in my country. At the end, there should be 1 sentence conclusion. Okay, one
Yes,
more.
sir.
Do you think insects are useful?
No, I don't found them useful in any
I
way.
don't find them.
I
And
don't
remember,
find
honeybee
them.
is an insect. So, do you think insects are useful?
Yes, I think insects are useful, such as honeybee and many other insects from which they made some medicines, and but most of them are useless.
All right, so you need to develop some interest in the questions and then you'll be able to produce good answers. At the moment, your every answer is in the same tone. So try to use a variety of tones as well. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Next, please.